Hello everyone, this is Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some goodies for you. Sam's Bead Box for November 2021 called Sedona Sunrise. It says, Happy November. This month we're taking a group trip to the Southwest. I got the chance to visit Santa Fe years back and remember walking through the galleries around the town square, amazed by the work of the local artists. There were paintings vivid with color, jewelry featuring the most exquisite gemstones, and textiles that emulated the amazing natural beauty of the area. In Tuscan this past April, I got to enjoy the desert warmth once again. And it says, inspired by colors of the region, this month features turquoise, orange, and red tones that are complemented by rich browns and travertine finishes. Oh, that sounds pretty. In addition to 15 lovely Czech Glass selections, we have some of my favorite gemstones, including in this box, Tiger Eye with sheen, Peach Moonstone, and an Impression Jasper strand. And to bring everything under one glorious desert sky, we have Tierra Cast's brand new Sun and Moon Pendant in antique copper. Wow. So this is it. It looks beautiful. It's nice and heavy, and we all like that. So let me unpack and we will start unboxing. Okay, everyone, so we're back. So I've got everything unboxed. So we're gonna start with the Sam's Bead Box for November 2021. Like I said, the Czech Glass Top-Drilled Triangular Tab Blue Mix 9mm 23-piece strand. I will say I'm very excited about this month box. Oh, very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. I've got so many ideas for this. This could be like, could do something like almost like a, kind of like a really cool pendant. Like something like this with something dangling in it. My mind is already reeling. Okay, so that's number one. Number two is Czech Glass Diamond Blue Oasis 7x13mm 16-piece strand. These are pretty. Oh, these are so pretty. Hole goes down the middle. Top. Okay. The next one is Czech Glass Potato Opaque Sky Blue, 6x8mm, 14.6 grams, 30 pieces. Oh, these are pretty. One thing about Sam's beads is they're always very uniform. The holes are always very nice. You don't get any that are kind of funky and off-centered. Lots of detail in his beads. Okay, number four is Czech Glass Pillow Opaque Turquoise, 13x15mm, 5 pieces. Oh, these are cool. They have a little bit of a funky shape to them. Like if you see there, if you can tell in the video, they're kind of like the hole is center, but they're kind of like, they've got a different shape to them. They're really cool. Okay. Let me see. Czech Glass Struck Opaque Green Turquoise 4mm 50-piece strand. Very pretty. Very pretty. If you can see, the holes are always, they're always perfect with these beads. One thing you can count on with Sam's Bead Box. All very, very pretty. Next is Czech Glass Pinch Opaque Green Turquoise 4x5mm 75 pieces. I've always thought these are such a cool bead. Very unique looking. There's a few of them. Again, the holes are always perfectly centered. Such good quality to these beads. Okay. Next is Czech Glass Table Cut Teardrop Turquoise Picasso, 12 by 8 millimeter, 4 pieces. I love Picasso finished. They're so gorgeous. And Picasso, there's the Picasso finish on the ends, and the holes, really nice, goes down the, these are perfect for, like, you know, pair of earrings or an ending on a bracelet or a focal piece even on a bracelet. Okay. Next is Czech Glass Fire Polish Faceted Round Travertine 5 millimeter 25 piece strand. Oh, so beautiful. Just, you can see all the glitter, sparkle. So pretty. Cannot wait to work with these beads. Okay, and next is Czech Glass Struck Round Sly Fox Mix, 8 millimeter, 25 pieces. Some of these names are so funny, Sly Fox. Oh, these are pretty. So pretty. Look at those. Holes are perfect. Such a rich color, like kind of a caramely color with the, almost like an espresso. Reminds you of like a cup of coffee. Very pretty. Oh, these are pretty. Next is Czech Glass Carved Oval Mojave Mix. I know I pronounced that wrong. 8 by 18 millimeter, 8 piece. Maybe it is Mojave. Oh, these are beautiful. Hole goes up and down. So pretty. I don't know if you can see, they almost have like a bluish, like a sky blue kind of hint on them. They're so pretty. These beads are just gorgeous. Never disappointed. Oh, and this one is gorgeous. Next is Czech Glass Table Cut Oval Sedona, 26 by 15 millimeter, 1 piece. Oh, this is beautiful. Talk about a gorgeous focal piece. You can see, oh, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. The hole runs lengthwise through there. I love table cut beads. There's so much texture to that bead, just that inside hole. Okay, next is Czech Glass Table Cut Rectangle Fiery Sunset, 16 by 11 millimeter, 6 pieces. These are absolutely gorgeous too. Oh, look at these. So pretty. And the hole goes up and lengthwise. Absolutely beautiful. Next is Czech Glass Freeform Nugget Arizona Poppy, 11 millimeter, 12 pieces. These are nice and bright. Oh, pretty. There's a hole. So pretty. Such a rich color. Like, I could see, like, putting these two together for something, and this will, like, pop. These will make this pop out, the colors. Oh, okay. Czech Glass Hibiscus Desert Mariposa Lily, 12 millimeter, 6 pieces. I'm really bad with that name. I live in Florida, so I'm not too familiar with a lot of these desert names. Okay, and there's the, so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Table cut, beautiful. Okay, and this is Czech Glass Faceted Rondell Pumpkin Spice 5x7mm 25-piece strand. These are so pretty. I love that even though some of the beads are small, there's so much texture to them. Like if you just look at these. I don't know if you can hear my dog behind me. She's snoring. She works hard all day. These are just absolutely beautiful. Such a rich color. Okay. This one is Impression Jasper Smooth Round 8mm 7-inch strand stone dyed. Composite stone dyed. Oh, this is pretty. Absolutely love these. I can't wait to work with this box this month. Okay, we have 3 more pieces. Okay, this is Peach Moonstone Pebble, 8mm 7-inch strand. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, wow. Now, I know I probably am not going to be able to pick up the sparkle on this. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if it's, I think I'm kind of looking, can't tell if you can pick up. There's like a shimmer on them. Oh, are these beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Moonstone's very pretty. Okay, 2 more. We got Tiger Eye Smooth Round 6.5mm 7-inch strand. These are pretty. Very pretty. We got these in the bargain bead box last month. They were a little bigger, but so I made a couple of big pieces out of the Tiger Eye from last time. But you can never have too much Tiger Eye. Very pretty. Very uniform. The holes look nice. And last but not least, this one is absolutely beautiful. Tiara Cast Sun and Moon Pendant Antique Copper Plate, 21 by 28mm, 1 piece. This is very pretty. So I'll start at this side. It's the moon and sun. It's very, very good quality. Doesn't bend. Very pretty. I'll turn that around again. Very pretty. I am very happy with this box. Thank you again, Sam. You guys always do such a great job. Such a great job. Well, thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it. Also, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Please share my videos with any of your friends that you think might be interested. And let me know in the comments how you like this and if you'd like to see any other types of videos. Also, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links are below, so just click on them to take you there. I also have my Etsy store link below if you would like to follow me there. Just click on that. Thanks again, and see you soon on my next video. Have a great day.